Hello, welcome to Coding. Today we are going to discuss about the how I will become a good programmer. Let's see the process of the steps. Feeling stuck is a part of the process. Keep on going. So when you practicing the program, you get stuck somewhere. That means you are in progress. Don't think about the you are in lagging. So then continue with code. Keep learning every day with 100% focus, not on hours. So solve the problem step by step and debug the code. Then you get the clarity about where the bug arises and how you will become solve it. So if you solve a small program, that means you are in success. Every small win build a confidence that you never forget. Practice consistently. That means you have to practice regularly, then you will get success. Keep engaging or pushing yourself always with the code and logic solving. So that means you are not just learning, you are building your future, that you always remember. Now, thank you for your time. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.